In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove the shipping calculated at checkout text from your Shopify store. This is a simple way to make your product pages look cleaner and improve the customer experience. So let's get started. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left sidebar, click on Online Store. Next, click on Themes. On your current theme, click the three dots menu and select Edit Default Theme Content. Once the editor opens, use the search bar and type Shipping Calculated at Checkout. You should now see the text field that contains this message. Simply remove the text completely or replace it with your own custom message, such as free shipping available or shipping included. After making your changes, click Save. Now refresh your store and the shipping calculated at checkout text will no longer appear on your product pages. And that's it. You've successfully removed the shipping calculated at checkout message from your Shopify store. Thanks for watching and happy selling.